Hi, I'm Andrea of by Andrea Jansen, and today we are going to prepare the traditional Dutch grandma's apple pie. Just like my grandmother used to bake them when there was a birthday or as a dessert. And we're going to fill the apple pie with Jonah Gold apples, with currants, custard and some gingerbread spices. And that will be a great treat. Let's start. Make sure that your ingredients for your dough are very cold, because the dough will stick less and it holds its shape better when baked. Now we're going to start preparing the filling, and I start with soaking the currants in hot water, because when the currants are soaked they won't burn in our apple pie. Now my apple pie is ready to bake in the oven, and I'll bake it for about 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. ready, and of course I have to taste it. It's delicious. It's still a bit warm and the apples are sweet but still chewy, and the dough is crunchy and sweet, very delicious. This recipe is not for about 8 pieces, but if you're in need for more, you can go to my website. It's got a great feature which will do the calculation for you. And I'm going to enjoy this piece of cake. Bye! Thank you for watching this video. The full recipe can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. At my blog and at my channel you can find over 100 delicious recipes that are all easy to prepare. And with one thing in mind, it's a good taste. Bye!